Hello everyone. Good evening. My name is Deepa,
Deepa,
and here
and
I am
here I am
explaining
explaining
my GS
my
project.
GS project.
So this is
So
my
this is
project.
my project.
Uh,
Uh,
this is the
this
front
is
page
the
of
front
UI.
page of UI.
When you click
When you
start
click
button,
start
then
button, then
your timer will
your
be
timer
start,
will be
and
start, and
you have one
you have
options
one
and question
options
you
and question
able
you
to read,
able to
and you
read,
select
and
any
you select
option.
any
After that,
options. After
the
that,
next button
the
will
next
be
button
able
will
to
be able to click.
and
And
upside
in
you
upside
you are
you
seeing
are
that this
seeing
is a
that
progress
this is a
bar.
progress
How
bar.
many
How
questions you
many
solved
questions you
and how
solved
many
and
are
how many
you
are
left.
you left.
And if
And
you
if you
trigger any
trigger
wrong
any wrong
option, then
option,
it
then
will
it will be
automatically
automatically
see
see
highlight which
highlight
is right
which is right
and what you
and what
select.
you select.
And end of
And
this,
end of this,
uh,
uh,
and if
and
you not
if
select
you
any
not
option,
select
then
any
it will
option,
be
then it will be
highlight
highlight
automatically
automatically
right answer
right
and
answer
go to
and go
next.
to next.
And if
And if
uh,
uh,
end of this
end of this
quiz,
quiz
you get
you get
result
result
and
and
how many
how many
you you
you
score
you
and
score and
how many
how
questions,
many
length
questions
of this
length
question.
of these questions.
Okay, let's
Okay,
move on
let's move
our
on our
code.
code.
First, I take
First, I take a
HTML page,
HTML page,
and inside
and
of this,
inside of
I
this,
write
I write
information
information
about my
about my
project, and
project, and
I give
I
button
give button
to when
to
user
when
click
user
start
click
button,
start button,
and I also
and
give
I also
ID
give
to
ID to
targeting
targeting
in JS.
in JS.
And
And
next quiz
next
page,
quiz page,
here I also
here
take
I
a
also take
div
a div
and
and
give them a
give them
box,
a
and
box, and
inside of that,
inside of
I
that
take
I
one
take
div, and
one div,
inside of
and inside of
that
that
give ID,
give
a
ID,
class
a
name is a
class name
progress
is a progress
container, and
container,
inside
and
of that,
inside of
I
that
give also
I give
ID
also ID,
that is progress
that
bar.
is progress bar.
And also I
And also
link
I
it
link
on
it
both
on both
page
page
to
to
JS, because
JS,
if I
because
not
if I not
link
link
both page
both
with
page with
JS, then
JS, then it will be not
JS will be not
JS will be
able
not
to
able to
DOM manipulate.
DOM manipulate.
And
And
last page
last page
is
is
result page,
result
where
page,
I am
that I
also
also
link this
link this
page to
page
JS,
to
and
JS, and
inside of that I
inside of
also
that
give
I
a
also
one
give
div,
a one div,
and inside
and
of that
inside
div
of that
I
div
take one
I take
button
one
which is
button which is
restart button.
restart
When you
button.
click
When you
restart
click
button, you
restart
will get
button, you will get
a front
a
page.
front page.
I leave that.
I leave that.
Let's move on
Let's move
our
on our
JS.
JS.
Okay.
Okay.
First, I take
First, I
J
take
in JS.
in
I
JS,
take
I take
const,
const,
which is
which
keyword,
is keyword,
to
to
we use
we
keyword
use
to
keyword to
define
define
any
any
variable.
variable.
Like
Like
here is a
here is a
question, and
questions,
I
and
declare
I
here
declare here
question is a
question is
variable,
a variable,
and
and
okay,
okay,
and in
and
question
in
variable
question
I take
variable I take a
uh,
uh,
big bracket,
big
which is
bracket,
a
which is a we call in
here we
here
call
we
array.
call
Array,
array. Array,
inside of array
inside of
we are
array we
storing
are
a
storing a
multiple
multiples
object. What
object.
is array?
What is
The
array?
array
The
is
array is
storing
storing our values,
multiple values,
multiple values.
and
And
what is
what
object?
is object?
Object also
Object
store
also
the
store
multiple
multiples
data in a
data
key
in a
value
key
pair.
value pair.
Like
Like
here we are
here we are
taking a
taking a
question, and
questions, and
here is
here is
questions
a
value.
questions value.
We are using
We are
it
using it
too easy to
too easy to
access.
access.
Okay,
Okay,
next we
next
take a
we take
const
a
and next
const and
button,
next button,
start button,
start
and
button,
I am
and I
targeting
am
start
targeting
button
start button
with the
with
DOM
DOM
manipulation.
manipulation.
Get
Get
element by ID.
element
I
by ID.
targeting
I
start
targeting
button
start
and
button
storing
and
here,
storing here,
and
and
here I take
here I
one
take one
condition.
condition.
If start
If
button
start button
user will be
user will be
click, then it
click,
will
then
be
it will
stored in
be
a local
stored in a
storage.
local
Local
storage.
storage is
Local
a
storage
backend
is a backend
storage,
storage
website storage.
website storage, our
Software storage.
software storage.
Uh,
Uh,
it is
it
store
is
our
store
data
our
in
data in
also a key
also
value
a
pair.
key value pair.
And the local
And the
storage
local
is a
storage is a
permanent. It
permanent. It
permanently store
permanently
our
store our
data.
data.
If we
If we
refresh, then
refresh,
it will
then it
also
will also
store.
store.
And window
And
term
window term
location,
location,
sorry,
sorry,
to move
to move
from one page
from
to
one page
another
to
page,
another
I
page,
take
I
here
take
window
here
location
window
dot
location dot
serif.
serif.
And const
And
element
const
question,
element
we
question, we
also here
also here targeting
questions and
questions
storing
and
in
storing in
questions. If
questions. If here
if questions
if questions
element
element
is present
is
in
present
our
in
JS,
our
then
JS, then
this
this
in local
in
storage
local
current
storage current
value
value
also
also
converting number,
converting
and
number, and it's
it store
giving
the
store
value
the
in
value
current
in current
and score.
and score.
If
If
value is not
value
there,
is not
then
there,
it will
then
read
it will
zero.
read 0.
And
And
const
const
question
element
element dot get
document dot
element
get element,
by ID,
by
we are
ID we are
selecting
selecting
options,
options,
next button
next
progress bar
button progress
timer,
bar
and
timer,
also
and also
targeting, and
targeting, and
we
we
store here.
store here.
We are
We are
targeting them
targeting
and
them,
we
and
storing
we
here.
storing here.
Let also
Let
a keyword,
also a keyword, let
const.
for
This is
const. This is
a keyword
a
to
keyword to
define a
define a
variable.
variable.
Here I
Here
also
I also
take one
take
variable,
one
time
variable,
left
time
and
left
timer.
and timer.
I'm taking two
I'm taking
variables.
two variable,
Time
time
left
left counting the
how many
how
time
many
is
time
left,
is
and
left,
timer will
and
be
timer will be
counting countdown.
counting countdown.
And
and
this is our main function.
function
Function load
function
function.
load
In
function, it
this
is
function
function I make here.
if
If
this function
this
will be
function will
run
be run, after that
our next
our next
button
button
will be
will be
disable,
disabled,
and our
and
question
our
will be
question will be
our current
our
question.
current question.
It will
It
be
will be
shown
so
in
in our
our page.
page.
Inner
Inner
HTML,
HTML,
it work
it
to
work
showing
to
our
showing
page
our
in a
page in a
website.
website.
and progress bar I giving style them, and here is I finding percentage of how many questions current is our current questions, and question dot length is our total questions, and multiply by 100 to finding a percentage. Clear interval and parenthesis, it is a function. Clear interval, it's removing our previous timer, and it will be after that I run our next timer. Set interval, it will set a timer. Left I give value 30, it means counting from 30. I am taking a here decrement, means it is starting from 30 and going to 0. If our time left value will be equal to 0, then our timer will be stopped, and our question will be highlight which is right and which is wrong, and it automatically go next page. Auto next, it is a function. It is a one function that it automatically go to next page. Next question, not next page. And here after that I take question dot option for each. For each is a loop. It is iterate to not repeating. It is iterate to one to one all of our list of our questions, like first questions option, and it is iterate every options. And const card equal to document dot create div. I targeting div and create a card. And here also card dot inner text. It's all option take inside of cards. And I'm giving them a option cards. It is a class name. And after that on click is an event handler. It is a click event. When user will be click, then click in event will be execute, and code will be run. Clear interval timer. Okay. Const clear interval timer, it is removing our previous timer and set a new timer. If and here we take a condition. If options equal to question dot answer, then our cards dot class list dot add correct answer. Correct. I targeting correct to in a CSS, giving them style, and it means our if this condition upper condition will be true, then our cards which is correct answer, that is highlight in green color, and after that our score will be increment, and local storage will data will be update. If this condition is false, then then class dot card dot class list dot add wrong in wrong, there is red color. I give style them a red color, then it will be highlight red color, and all cards, then all cards will be running for each loop. I take for each loop, then it will be not able to click. It is disabled. If user not select any options, then all cards for each loop. If user not select any option, then inner text equal to question dot answer. It means it's choosing all. It's checking from all cards and equal to our answer, and which is correct. Which one is matching with our answer? Then it will be highlight that one. And function auto, it is I previously also say auto function is for one function which is when user not any response, then it will also automatically go next. Okay. And here all cards in we are for each iterate all class list dot add and disable. Then if after that you select any option, then it will be all another options. You have no chance to choose another option. All options will be disabled, and your answer will be highlighted. And next button disable equal to false, and your next button will be able to click, and set timer out will be run. It after you click next button, your timer also again count from 30. Next button on click equal to function. Arrow function. Arrow function is a function which is modern way, and it is a sorted syntax of our function. And here we are checking the one condition. We take one condition. If its current question is smaller than our length of questions, array of length, then our function will be again run. It calling to our previous main function, which is load question function. If this condition is false, then it will be going result page. Okay, then result page I take const keyword to defining a final score as a variable, and document dot get element by id. I targeting final score and store here final score.